Friends, I welcome all of yes. You guys will be fine. I'm also fine. Friends, today my topic will be about one incident with past me. Friends, once upon time I went watching for Jalsa. That place name is Amrapada. So that time I had two friends. So when I started watching for Jalsa, but sometime after we outside for taking tea. When we were taking tea, that time one friend told, "Okay, please some vacancy came. Do you want fill?" I told, "What kind of that vacancy?" That friends told me, in that vacancy for railway. But that friends told me, "How much your degree?" I told only I passed 10. Because no, I know you passed 11. Yeah, no, I I inter failed. Yeah. So, but this vacancy not is for you. Yeah, this vacancy for that who is past inter graduate for that. But there was some relative. That relative was out of area, and that friends used to know me. He did not pass inter, but nevertheless he was saying so that I can say I am graduate. So like this he was saying. Please you understand what is means, what is reason. Please you understand that friends was saying me so that how much your degree in this it means he wanted he wanted relatives in front of me. He he has been insult in like this. Yeah, he become insult in front of the relative. So that people was saying me, please how much degree in this vacancy for that who is past graduate, who is past inter. Do you have inter degree? I spoken, I have no any degree, only I passed metric. Yeah, like this that time I told. And now I passed inter and I am taking graduation first year. Only I did not I did not study only for him. In that matter I remember till now, and that matter I can never forget. So friends, one matters to matter, please you have to remember what I'm saying. Friends, sometimes is like this, that you should not say anything as any peoples, otherwise in that matters our life will be improved. And now I'm not saying I'm professor, and now I'm not saying i'm I have completed PhD, but in whatever I am here only in these things God's wanted. After that I came here. Yeah. So friends, in like this incident, I have many incident, but now I did not remember that. But friends, if in like this do you want speak, so daily by daily you have to practice also. And now is coming already, weather is coming winter, and so like this I wear jacket, I wear the cap, because now I am feeling I am feeling little cold, so I wear like this dress. Yeah, friends, already you know also this. Now panchayat election is coming in all of us, especially the leaders is happy that who will win. Yeah, but all of us hopes that in this time I win, I help all of us. But friends, in all leaders, in winning after, all leaders forget all peoples. But in like this, should not forget, especially for leader, that all peoples give you vote and all peoples win you. That's you care me, you help me. But after that, the leaders forget us. In this is not right things. Friends, now I am speaking in any translate is happening mistake, but for that I would not mind. Friends, for that we want to apologize. Please you forgive me. So this was matter one incident which I heard you in what who peoples will understand, who peoples will explain. Please you comment me in what kind of was my story and like this was incident and in that friends, while he was my best friend, so he used to he used to say me like this, in any place I live in like this. My friends told me that please in like this vacancy came, please how much do you do you have degree in like this, he used to say me. But no, unless I will not complete B.Ed, and then I can't leave study. That is my dream, and so I want complete that. So friends, now I am speaking that when will complete, because I want speak fluently, but when will complete now. And I want also English words that and I am preparing also. So friends, in about will be like this practice in 3 months 4 months is will be. So friends, I meet you next time with another video. So friends, please you guys will find, and please will you will be you find also that and who friends watching my video, please you watching my full video. That's my watching time will be increased. Yeah. So friends, and I meet you next video with tomorrow.